What is going on, everybody? Michael Alder here from CarpetExpertBlueprint.com, and in this video I'm going to share with you how to remove old carpet from a staircase, and this is going to be for you DIY types. I'm going to share a couple different strategies here, so check this out. We are at the top of the staircase here. I have a hook knife. Ideally, this is what you would like to use. I also have my razor blade. So if you have a hook knife, you're just going to stick it right in the corner, get that up. And you should probably wear gloves if you're not used to doing this, because there are a million staples in this and this will shred your hands. But you're just going to get in and start pulling it away. Now let's see if I can get a better view of this for you. Now, if you didn't have a hook knife and you're trying to get up under the carpet here, what you can do is just take your razor blade, split the stair, give yourself a starting point, and then just start pulling back. Don't pull too far back that you fall down the stairs and create a bad weekend for yourself. So that's all there is to this, really. Just brutal manual labor. Make sure you don't get stuck with all those staples. Have gloves on. And get down to tearing it out. Now, if you are reinstalling carpet on the stairs, you do not need to pull out every single staple. This is a big question that pops up all the time. The reality is, if you get the pad chunks out of the staple, you're good to go. Let me see if I can get a little sample of this here. We're gonna pull the pad off. Now we got a staple, staple, staple. Over here we got pad chunk, pad chunk. You wanna get those little chunks out? Staples are fine. Do not worry about pulling those out. You will lose your mind. Even you crazy OCD types, don't do it. There's better things you can be doing with your time. So that's all there is to it. If you have more questions about removing carpet from stairs, be sure to comment below. I will create a video answering your questions. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'll see you on the next video.
Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn. Yeah. Yeah.